To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications, YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about will have to be. Will have to be is given by ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ in Kannada. Let us see few examples and try to understand. I have taken the same three sentences from the previous video. Okay. Previous video was about may have to be. This video is about will have to be. I have just changed the sentences from may have to be format to will have to be format. Remaining is same. Alright? The first sentence is we will have to be working till evening. We will have to be working till evening. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. All right. Now this is will have to be with verb. ನಾವು is we. ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ till evening. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ working. ಕೆಲಸ is work. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ means working. Okay. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ which is will have to be. Okay. Now ta is the linking letter for the verb. ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. Okay. Ta is the linking letter. ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ is the suffix. Okay. Next, she will have to be angry for that scene. She will have to be angry for that scene. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವಳು is she. ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ for that scene. ಸಿಟ್ಟು anger, angry. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಆಗಿ or sit ಆಗಿ. ಆಗಿ is the linking letter or linking word I can say. Will have to be has come with an adjective. So ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ is the suffix. They will have to be confident. They will have to be confident. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ದೇ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ. Okay, ದಿಂದ is the linking word here. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ will have to be. Okay, so when the will have to be comes with verb, most of the times tha will be the linking letter. When it comes with adjective, most of the time we will have agi, but then we have special cases also where we have dinda, and sometimes we will not have any linking letter at all. Okay. Next is questioning. Okay. For the previous sentences or the sentences that we have seen in previous slide, you have to add the letter a at the end to make that sentence into a question. Okay. Will we have to be working till evening? Question. Will we have to be working till evening? A question. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಯೇ. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಯೇ. The ಯೇ at the end makes this a question. Okay. Without a, this is what we have, the previous slide. Okay. Which is we will have to be working till evening. But if you add a here, the letter a, ye here in English form, we will have this form. Will we have to be working till evening? Okay. Will she have to be angry for that scene? Will she have to be angry for that scene? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆಯೇ? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆಯೇ? Okay. The a at the end makes this a question. Will they have to be confident? Will they have to be confident? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆಯೇ? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆಯೇ? ಯೇ at the end makes this a question. Okay. Next is negating. Negating. For negating, we will have the suffix ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ as the suffix. We will not have to be working till evening. We will not have to be working till evening. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ is the suffix for negating the sentence. She will not have to be angry for that scene. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. They will not have to be confident. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Next is negating question. Okay. For the sentences that we have seen in the previous slide, you have to add way at the end. Okay. Way at the end. That will convert the previous form of sentences into negating questions. Will we not have to be working till evening? Will we not have to be working till evening? ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆಯ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? The way at the end makes this a negating question. Will she not have to be angry for that scene? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಅವಳು ಆ ದೃಶ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? Will they not have to be confident? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಅವರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? Okay, the way at the end makes these sentences negating question. All right. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.